Happy birthday! Uy, wala namang iyak eh! Isa po! Okay, I'm gonna take over to John B because John B is so busy. Birthday bukas ng iyong katitahan.
Yes.
Ang titang ina na galing
Yes.
sa Airyland!
Yes, Tita Mommy.
Okay, birthday niya tomorrow. Malakad tayo, so we have to surprise her! You greet your tita.
Happy birthday, Tita Mommy. I wish you good health, more blessings to come, and more birthdays to come. And thank you for spoiling me for the things that I want. And yes, more. Yes.
Jowa. more jowa to
Yes,
come.
more boys to come.
Ah! Okay.
I love you.
Can you greet Tita Sheila on her birthday?
Oh, this is your birthday?
Yes.
Happy birthday to you.
Yes.
Sana magkajowa ka na
Ayan.
ngayon din.
Ayan.
Kahit sinong guard gusto mo, basta security guard. Secure ang puso mo.
Ayan.
Walang makakabakod, walang makakanakaw ng pagmamahal mo.
Ayan.
Happy birthday. Shout out sa'yo.
John B is so busy. Can you
What's
greet your sister?
Oh, I have so many greetings to do.
What?
Happy birthday. Thank you.
Is that all?
So your love life can go further.
And then?
Live a life for so long. Babush, happy birthday again.
Are you busy? Mr. Manager?
Happy birthday.
Ba't yung greetings nila? Ang tipid. Can you greet the birthday girl?
Happy birthday, Sheila, my dear.
Wow!
Wishing you all the best and the happiness and the life you want. To
More what?
More boyfriend. Happy birthday.
I love it.
Love you.
Hello! Happy birthday!
Sorry
More
guys.
chononates. More chononates.
Busy
to
ang mga
come.
at here. I'm so sorry.
Happy birthday!
Kasi wala pa yung birthday girl dito. So, nakaluto na kami. Ang tagal niya, inililigaw siya. We have here Pansit Malabon from Lola Idangs. Biko Malagkit or Bibingkang Malagkit from Aling Ising. The bagoong, the kare-kare, the shrimp, and the kanin. Di pa kasi luto yung ano namin eh. Yung chicken namin eh. Wait lang. Lapit na. Tugmurol, can you greet Tita Sheila?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to happy birthday to Sheila. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Ilabit na muna ba?
Can you greet your tita?
Okay.
Okay.
Happy birthday sa pinakamaganda kong tita dyan, ha? Taga Ireland.
Ayan.
Minsan na nga lang siya umuwi, kaya nakakamiss siya.
Aww.
Kaya susulitin namin yung time namin sa kanila ngayon. Together.
And forever?
Yes. Yun lang po. Happy birthday.
Ano wish mo kay tita?
I wish you the very best.
Yan.
And more birthdays to come.
And, ano yung wala kay tita?
Boyfriend.
Aray. Aray, sakit. Boyfriend. More boyfriends to come. Payag ka? More boyfriends. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry kapatid. Ayaw niya.
Oh wow, so many cake. So many, plenty.
Magalit si mami sa cake.
Guys, green lights na!
Okay.
Come on. Hey guys, come on. Hey, come on! Yeah!
Ayan na.
Oh, hindi yan. Hindi po. Joke lang, hindi.
Yung ilaw nun, di ba? Ayan na.
Lagi yan na yun. Lagi.
Ito na yun. out. Ilaw.
Uy, kala ni Amelia siya. Oh, yeah.
If there's
Sino nagkamali ng silaan?
more wish, I ask.
Halata na.
Kasi nakita ko yung mga kotse.
Oh.
Sabi ko, nandito naman kotse, hindi ba kayo nagbayad? Pagkatapos ng walang tubig, wala namang ilaw.
Sing.
Happy. Kiss mo si Tita. Ba't ganun ka, te? Eh, syempre, yun yung kanta kami.
Hirap na hirap. Hirap na akong magpalusot dito. Sabi ko, sige pa, ikot pa.
Ang sakit na pa ako, tagal niyo sila mas magluto. Ay, ang sarap na.
Bless her always, Lord, na maging kung ano man ang wish niya, ang dream niya, may come true sa kanyang for all the life. Alam ko, gusto niya magkaroon ng boyfriend. Bless her, Lord, and more blessing to come and happiness for Sheila. Happy birthday, Sheila. And for this food, bless this food, Lord. Bless this food, Lord. Sanctify this food, Lord. Give nourishment to our body as we partake in this name we pray.
And happy birthday! Uy, wala namang iyak eh! Isa po!
Oh, grabe.